guys, just done the school run and the kitchen is still a mess. I just feel like I'm chasing my tail at the moment. It's just so bad. I'm just gonna clear the dining table and then start to work. Are meant to put their plates in the dishwasher, but you know, sometimes they just need to be reminded. So I'm just going to fry some of these chicken fillets and just have simple burgers and chips, and that's it. Simple iftar. Mustard as well.
On top of that. Apple.
There we go.
If you stick with you, what Casey? The chicken burger, the zinger burger, what?
Chicken burger.
Zinger burger. Mm.
Chicken burger.
My husband loves getting these crepes for the kids, so we had a packet, so I took one out for snack today. This is a snack box for the youngest, and this is for the middle child, who is taking one of these. Says it fills up.
Quick!
No, do this trousers first. Come on, the countdown. It's you between Google and you. Come on. Come on. 200. Stop dancing and get the jumper on. You've got 50 seconds. Do you think you're going to win? Oh, I've done a dodgy tie today. I think we need to get...
What's gone into
Yes.
my armpit?
You have to be totally dressed. So every day for the past couple of days I've been putting the counter on Google so that the kids can get ready against the countdown, and it's working. So guys, in goes the lentils, the dal into my instant hot pot, and I'm just adding in basic spices. That's red chili, cumin powder, coriander powder, and some salt. Sometimes I throw in half a tomato or half an onion, but this time around I'm squeezing in a teaspoon of tomato paste, and I've just added in some chopped onions as well, and I'm just going to let it cook, and I'm going to forget about it until I've finished work. I've got a really bad headache today. After work, I kind of just lie down in bed, and I've not been out, and the kids have been on the automatic button, and now I need to feed them, and the headache's getting worse as well, and there's still an hour before we can break our fast. It's one of those days, but someone we know said that they'll be sending iftar over. That was really nice of them, but I still got to feed these kids, and I'm just quickly trying to finish off the dal. So, secret to a good dal is a teaspoon of tamarind imli, and I'll just stir this on. Just combine. So guys, for the tadka, I'm just gonna add some garlic cloves, slice them up. I'm feeling so lazy to get the chopping board and do that. I'm just doing it on top very quickly into the oil with the sliced onions already in there. Just give it that big quick stir, and I'm going to add some cumin seeds to this. I actually have run out of green chilies, so I don't have any, although I usually add some. I'm adding in some kalonji, that's nigella seeds or black seeds, whatever you want to call them, and just mix them up. It's starting to all brown together really nicely, and I absolutely love the sizzle noise that it makes when you pour it in.
Yes, you are so annoying. I'm not annoying, it's you. Well, stop it. Stop touching me. I need you to do that. Adai, stop it.
Delivery for iftari. Wow. Delivery for iftari. MashaAllah. Such a nice gesture. There's so many things. Guys, I've just done the school run. For the past 3 days, especially Monday and Tuesday, I was feeling so exhausted and was letting things slide and just trying to recover from Sunday, and of course I've got to work as well, and it was just a real issue. Started taking some vitamin supplements, that's helped. So after I break my iftari, I usually have that. I'm out of breath because I'm walking up a hill, and I've just done the school run now. Amazing what you can get done just before the school run. Like, I had a spare 20 minutes and did some laundry and, you know, things like that.